Nowadays, everybody's fighting to have a natural, normal bowel movement. Colons are becoming more dehydrated, more full of toxins. Lots is going on now. That's why eating natural foods is very important for your colon's health, and also eating those foods that have the most water in it, such as fruits, vegetables. Meats, for example, have very, very low water content. So that can help you to get regular and flowing, just like this river here. And also, if you have to have an enema, we suggest this very high quality glass enema bucket that we make, and it comes with a very easy to use colon tube that fits right on here, like so, and you're all ready to go. It fits nicely in your hand, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and you can see through it. 100% non-toxic. This colon tube is very good for going high into the colon if you want to, 6 inches or even a little more. It will wash the colon walls off, and that will be very helpful. This is such a popular kit because it's the easiest to use enema kit on the market today. It is glass, yes, it can break, but if you're careful with it, you'll be fine. And it also comes with a harness for hanging, or you can just simply set it on your toilet seat. Again, your colon is like a river. It wants to flow, and it will flow if you take care of it.